Good morning, children. Today's topic is geometry. In geometry, we are going to see properties of 2D shapes. The key words in this topic is open shape and closed shape. See here are some students. They are form a circle by holding their hands. Okay. Then 3 of them are act as a lamb and fox and sheep. This is a game. Let us play. Okay. What this fox is talking? I am the fox. I want to see the lamb. Did you see it? The children are saying yes, yes, yes. It is very safe inside. Next. Can you open the gate and give the way? The fox is asking. Then the students are saying, no, 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 we won't give way. Close, close, close. Why they are saying like this? If they allowed the fox to get in, it will eat the sheep. So, they are not opening the gate. They said close, close, close. It is a closed shape. Circle is a closed shape. Let us see this. Here is a sheep and here is a lamb, little lamb. What the sheep is asking? I am the sheep. Did you see my little lamb? I am searching him for a long time. Yes, 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 the students are saying. Finally, what happens? Sheep is asking, give way for me to enter inside. Then the children open the gate. Yes, yes, yes. Here is the way. Open for you. Sheep is went to the lamb. This is a open shape. Okay. Let us see some shapes and its sides and its vertices. See, this is a square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the square has 4 sides. And see, it has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is called 4 vertices. So square has 4 vertices. Next is a triangle. This is a triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 edges. Okay. See here. 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 sides and 3 edges. So triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. See here. Okay. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So rectangle has 4 sides. See? And 4 edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 edges. It has 4 vertices and 4 sides. Here, see here in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. See this line and this line is equal in size. Likewise, this line and this line is equal in size. So, opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See here, this is a circle. Circle has 0 sides. So, it has no sides. It is circle. It is round in shape. Okay, it has one curved line. It is round in shape. No sides. Okay, children. These are the 4 basic shapes in geometry. See, children, the next is identification of objects by blindfolding. Okay, see. It gives a dotted line. Join the dotted line in each of the given figure and write H for horizontal line. See, it is a horizontal line. you have to draw this line. If it's horizontal line, you have to write here H, and V for vertical line, S for slanting line, C for curved lines. Okay, see, it is a slanting line, so you have to write S here. Again, it is a vertical. It is a vertical line. You have to write V here. This is a curved line. Curved line means you have to write C. Okay, see, this is again a slanting line S. This is horizontal H. This is a vertical line. You have to write V for this. Okay, children. See, the keywords here are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, circle, square, corner, edge, curve, and straight line. See this example. The teacher blindfolds one of the students and asks him to take an object and identify the object by asking questions based on the properties as follows. Okay, see this picture, girls. Okay, it eyed her eyes and is touching and saying the object which she is touching. Here what the teacher is asking is the object in your hand flat or round. The object is, the student has to say this. Now feel the sides. How many sides it has? It has the dash sides. For example, see here, she is having a cube. It has how many sides? 4 sides. Okay. Then she has to write here, it has 4 sides. Are the sides are equal? Say yes or no. You check the object and say yes or no. Can you guess the shape of the object now? It's a shape. Its shape is, here it's cube shape. So you have to write here cube. Okay. You can trace curved lines like this. Use a bangle and draw a circle. This is a curved line. Circle as a curved outline. You can also use your finger to draw a curved lines. Okay, children, move to the next. The third topic is identification of objects by observing the shadows. See here, look at the shadow of the girl in various positions. See, backward, this is the front, side, see here, front side. See what is the shape and size of the shadow. This shadow's position can be changed according to the light. Okay, according to the light, it will change the size. It will change the position. Children, you just stand before the light and check where will your shadow will fall and what is the size and what is the position of that shadow. You just check, children. Hope, children, you all clear with this geometry. Okay, thank you, children.